A microchip works as a miniature electronic circuit that performs calculations, controls systems, and processes data inside countless modern devices. It is built on a small piece of silicon chosen for its ability to conduct electricity under certain conditions, making it ideal for controlling electronic signals. On the surface of that silicon, millions or even billions of microscopic transistors are arranged in complex patterns that create the logic of the chip. Each transistor acts like a tiny switch that turns electrical signals on or off, representing the binary code that computers use to understand and execute commands. The manufacturing of a microchip is an extremely precise process that begins with a pure silicon wafer. Through a method called photolithography, light is used to etch incredibly small circuit patterns onto the wafer. Layers of materials such as metals and insulators are added and removed, forming the pathways that connect transistors and allow electricity to flow in carefully controlled ways. This process is repeated many times to create multiple layers of circuitry, giving the chip its powerful and compact structure. When the microchip is installed into a device, electrical signals travel through it in sequences determined by its design. These signals are processed through logic gates, which are combinations of transistors that perform simple decisions like yes or no. By combining millions of these decisions every second, the microchip can execute complex operations, from running software to managing sensors or controlling engines. The speed of these operations depends on how small and efficient the transistors are, which is why newer chips perform faster while consuming less energy. Microchips are used in almost everything today, from smartphones and computers to cars, appliances, and even medical devices. They handle communication, control power flow, and process information that keeps systems running smoothly. As technology advances, engineers continue to shrink transistor sizes and improve chip design, allowing microchips to become more powerful and energy efficient. Without these intricate circuits, the digital world as we know it would simply not exist. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.